Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your WordPress admin password in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the WordPress website that you want to change the admin password for, click on WP admin. And this way, you will automatically log in to your WordPress dashboard. And now changing your WordPress admin password is easy. Just go to Users and click on Profile. Now this is the profile you are connected using. And to change your password, just go to below Account Manager, click on Set New Password. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Click on Set New Password. Now fill in your new password here, and if it is a weak password, check this box next to confirm use of weak password. After that, click on Update Profile, and this will be your new WordPress admin password. And this is how to change your WordPress admin password in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.